Hello, my name is Leonardo and welcome to Changing Climate podcast. Today I'm going to talk about topics that directly affect our planet and therefore all of us. This one is the melting of glacier. Did you know that every year glaciers lose millions of tons of ice? This phenomenon, although it may seem distant, has direct consequence on our daily life. In this episode, we will explore what glaciers are, how they feed rivers, why they are melting, the consequence of their loss, and of course, what we can do to help slow down this process. Glaciers are large masses of ice formed by the accumulation and compression of snow over centuries. They are not just huge blocks of ice, they function as massive reservoirs of fresh water. Also, glaciers are mainly found at the poles such as Antarctica and Greenland, and also in mountains like the Andes, the Himalaya, and the Alps. In addition to storing water and shaping the landscape by creating valleys and glacier lakes, glaciers play a fundamental role in rivers during the summer when accumulated snow and ice from glacier melts, and this water flow into rivers and streams, feeding river systems that provide fresh water to millions of people, support agriculture, and maintain the biodiversity of ecosystems that depend on these waterways. However, these glaciers are melting rapidly due to the global warming. Human activities such as burning fossil fuels release large amounts of greenhouse gas that raise the Earth's temperature, causing glaciers to lose ice faster than they can accumulate it. This process, called a negative mass balance, is further accelerated by other factors such as air pollution that darken the ice and extreme climate events like unexpected heat waves even in polar regions. The consequences of glacier melting are serious and have direct impact on the planet. One of the most visible effects is sea level rise. When glaciers and ice sheets melt, the water flows into the oceans, flooding coastal cities and putting millions of people at risk. Ecosystems also are affected because many species depend on glaciers and their water to survive. For example, we have polar bear, penguin, and cold water fish face habitat lost. Freshwater supply are at risk as well. Millions of people rely on rivers fed by glacier melt. And if the ice melts too quickly during the summer or disappear altogether, these rivers could shrink or dry up, affecting agriculture, hydroelectric power, and the daily lives of many communities. On top of that, melting ice can alter ocean current and climate patterns, leading to more intensive storms, floods, or droughts in different parts of the world. There are concrete examples that show the magnitude of this problem. In Greenland, glaciers lose about 270 billion tons of ice every year. In Patagonia, glaciers lose have affect local fishing and alter river flow. Even in distant places like Swiss Alps, glaciers that have existed for dozens of years are disappearing in record speed. In conclusion, today we learned what glaciers are, how they feed rivers, how accumulated snow and ice melt during the summer to supply these rivers, why glaciers are melting faster, and the serious consequence of their loss. Although glaciers may seem far away, their melting directly affects all of us. Taking care of this earth is taking care of our own lives and the future of the generations to come. Thank you for listening. Remember, every small gesture in favor of the planet counts. See you in the next episode as we continue exploring the secret of the world.